How to create a personalized design with CustomCat. You can turn any design in your design library into a personalized design within the CustomCat app. To do this, enter your design library from the left navigation menu. Hover over the design you'd like to turn into a personalized design and click Edit. Next, click Add Personalization Text in the bottom right corner of the design to open up our personalization tool. Within our personalization tool, you can choose your text size, color, and spacing for more than 40 fonts. You can also customize the text that displays on your mockup in addition to the curvature of the text itself. The text you enter in the Display Text field will not be printed. Your customer will enter their personalization text on your shop to be printed in its place. The text entered in this stage is for demonstration of personalized text placement, font, and color only. If your customer purchases a personalized product without entering their personalization text, their product will be printed with the design only and no text. Once your personalization text looks exactly as you'd like it to display on your store, click the Save Text button in the bottom right corner. Before saving your new personalized design to your library, you have the option to rename your file. Your new personalized design will not overwrite the original design file. Instead, it will create a new file tagged with personalization. You can use the search function in your design library to quickly locate any personalized designs by searching the term personalized. CustomCat's personalization tool will allow you to add up to 4 lines of text by clicking Add Additional Text Area. Please note that only 1 line of personalization text is supported by Etsy. Please do not add any additional lines of personalization text if exporting this personalized design to an Etsy shop. Once you save your design, you'll be brought back to your design library where you'll see both your original design and your new personalized design listed. And that's it! You've now successfully created your first personalized design using CustomCat's personalization tool. This new design is compatible with any item in our product catalog. For more CustomCat tutorials, plus frequently asked questions, tips, tricks, and more, visit CustomCat.com.